Hello, welcome to the vlog guys, and we are back again, and happy 77th Republic Day everyone. Today is 26 January 2026, and before we dive into the celebration, I want to take a moment and salute the spirit of India. Today isn't just about the parades or the holiday, it's about the constitution that gives us our voice, our rights and our identity as the world's largest democracy. From the tech hubs of Bangalore to the fields of Punjab, India is soaring. We are a nation that respects our roots while reaching for the stars. As we watch the tricolors fly high today, let's remember that the Republic is made of us, our dreams, our hard work and our unity. But I want to hear from you guys. This is a community and I want to fill this comment section with pride today. Question for you. What is the one thing about India that makes you feel the most proud to be an Indian in 2026? Is it our culture, our innovations, or maybe just the food? Drop Jai Hind and drop your answers below. Alright, the celebrations are just getting started. I'm taking you along with me to show how I'm gonna celebrate the Republic Day today. So let's get into the vlog. वी आर डन विद फ्लैग होस्टिंग. तो मैंने एक छोटी लकड़ी के साथ एक फ्लैग तैयार किया है बाइक पे बांधने के लिए. फिर टाई करके हम ऐसे ही एक शॉर्ट स्पिन के लिए जाएंगे. Before we move forward, I want to share a thing with you guys that many of us might not know. We all know that Dr. Rajendra Prasad was our first president and the first citizen of India. But did you all know he is also the first president in Indian history to serve full 2 terms? He remained the first citizen for 12 years. Hold on. Why did I say first citizen? क्या पहले इंडिया में कोई नहीं रहता था? Well, before 26 January 1950, India was a domain and the head of state was still technically the British monarch. Once we become republic, we established the office of the president as the supreme head of the country under the Indian order of precedence. The president is officially designated as the first citizen of India. But do you all know, when the Constitutional Assembly met for the very first time, they needed someone to lead the proceedings. Following the French practice of electing the eldest member, Dr. Sachidanand Sinha was appointed as the temporary president of the Constituent Assembly for 2 days. And after 2 days, 11 December 1946, Rajendra Prasad was elected. The title President of India did not exist until India became Republic. He took the oath of office on 26 January 1950. This was just the fact that I wanted to share with you. I had a little knowledge that I felt like sharing with you guys. Anyways, do comment down how you guys felt watching today's vlog. If you liked the vlog, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.